Wow, that's a great drawing. You must have spent forever making it. Ha! As if. I had help from my...
Make a boom, Artbot!
Wow.
Can I paint like that?
No way. The only way you could is if you built a...
Make a boom, Artbot!
And you'll never be able to make one of those.
You know what? I'll make my own Make a Boom Artbot. Why don't I get the epic voice? I'll show you. I'll show you even if it takes the rest of this 7-minute video.
Jimothy! Jimothy, I need your help! I need your help with robot stuff! Robots! Let's make some robots. So Tony, what do you need? Well, Jimothy, I need an Artbot. I got you. Drawing with your hands is for old people.
We're going to need our main body block and our CPU. Place the CPU black side up on the black side of the foam body block. Make sure that the edge with the circle is pointing in the same direction as the yellow edge. Next, we're going to need 8 plastic body blocks. Place the plastic body blocks on the edge of the main foam body block. Make sure that you're placing the plastic body blocks on the yellow side of the big body block. All 8 plastic blocks should snap in nicely. Congratulations, you've built the main body of our robot.
Now we're gonna need something to move our robot. How about robot legs? No, then the robot would leave footprints on our painting. Yeah, you're right. Wheels.
To make our wheels, we'll need 2 body blocks, 2 motors, 2 wheels, and 2 data cables. We start by inserting the motors into our foam body blocks, like so. Then we place our wheels onto the motors. Finally, we connect our data cable to our motor, like so. Now you have 2 motors. We have most of our body. Now we need a bottom part. So we'll use our 2 motors that we just made and 2 body blocks. All we gotta do is connect them into a square. Oh wow, now we have a body and a bottom. That's right, now all we have to do is place our body on the top of our bottom.
Alright, that wasn't too hard. Next thing you're gonna do is
Take the data cables and plug them into port A and port B. Then we take our Bluetooth chip and place it onto our CPU. Make sure that the 3 pins go into the 3 holes and the 4 pins into the 4. We also need to make our robot go. We'll take our battery pack and connect it to the battery port in our CPU. And now for our most important feature, the marker. All you have to do is place it in a hole on the side of the bot. We connect our Bluetooth chip to our computer and turn on the Bluetooth on our CPU, and now we're ready to start coding.